Hello everybody. Just a quick tip here on finding the center of a pair of bars. In this case, I'm making a pair of casters for an undercarriage using wheels of this size. And I got these two bars here. They are of roughly equal length, and just flush up the ends. And then what I'm going to do is just arbitrarily decide where the center is. Kind of a rough idea. Mark a line down both bars. And now I'm simply going to spin one bar around 180 degrees, reflush the ends, and this disparity between the two marks is much easier. It's much easier for your eye to center that smaller space. And so the center of those two is a little closer to the actual center.